Come test drive the 2017 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, remote trunk release, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, rear wiper. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.